There, I received a smart door lock as a gift. Let's open the box, show you everything that's included, and then show you installation process and show you all the features. Here's some installation template, user manual, some installation hardware, keys and cards, and the lock itself. Start by installing this lock inside the door and then secure it with 2 screws. Insert this pin. Depress the little tiny pin in there. Lock it in place. Start by installing an outside handle first. The inside one, first start with connecting this wire. Secure both halves with 2 screws. To access the second screw, you have to press the handle up or down. To install batteries, lift this cover straight up. You need 4 AA batteries. Close the cover. This is what lock looks like when it's fully installed. In the front, it has this passage mode. If it stays unlocked, handle outside will not open the door unless you put in the fingerprint or punch in a code. But if you put this in the passage mode, this will stay open all the time. This is perfect for like a day use when a kid's playing outside, so they can just go in without punching any codes or anything like that. This is what app looks like. It connects through Bluetooth. You can set like e-keys, password. With app, you can unlock. Or you can lock it by pressing and holding. And it's locked. You can generate new code. You can put a timed code. You only work at specific time. You can put one time, permanent, custom, recurring, or you can erase codes. To add a passcode, generate, or you can go to custom. You can make it click on permanent. Let's say on here, you go kids, and then from 4 to 9, say 4 zeros as an example. Set passcode. Complete it. See if it works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Works. We set one-time password. Show how it works. The door will stay open for a couple seconds, then it will lock. You can change timer also. You can program cards. You already get 2 cards in the box with the lock, which is really nice. Click add card. Permanent. Enter the name. 4 keys. Okay. Connecting with lock. Please wait. And scan the card. Use the audible confirmation. So the door is locked now. It works perfect. Try to add fingerprint. Do a fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Permanent. Put the name. We'll start.
Please press your finger on the sensor. Please press again. Please press again. Please press again. Input successful.
Works perfect. Really nice lock. Definitely recommend this one. This lock works with Alexa, but you do need a separate gateway for it to work.